Hey everyone, this is my video for the basics of a computer and how I would hopefully introduce it to my students. So what I'm going to do is give an overview of the internal and external parts of a computer, and then throughout the week the class will be going into more depth on each part through some group activities. The first picture is showing the basic parts of a computer that we could easily identify just by looking at and are what we are most familiar with. As we start this lesson, we're going to go over the external parts of the computer first and then move on to the internal parts. So first up is our monitor. This is used to display information from a computer and is used as an output. The next part of the computer is the keyboard, and this allows you to input letters, numbers, and other symbols into the computer that can be a command and is used for typing. The mouse moves a cursor around the screen and is used to open up programs, select specific files, scroll through pages, and to hover over a file that you may need. This is a picture of the microphone, and it is used for audio, for a video like the one that you're listening to right now, a voice recorder, online chatting, podcasts, or a voice recognition system. The next part that we're going to talk about are the speakers. These are devices that connect to your computer and help generate sound. The printer is an external hard drive output device that takes the electronic data stored in a computer and then can create a hard copy in the ink. And now this one is the last piece that we're going to talk about is the USB flash drive. These serve as a memory unit that is just a portable storage device, and they come in different capacities and come in handy when you need your work to move with you. So now we'll talk just quickly about the internal hardware pieces that we'll go over the next week or two. The first one that we're going to talk about is the Central Processing Unit, or the CPU. This is often called the brain of the computer and is where most of the calculations take place inside the computer. A hard drive is our next part that we'll talk about and can be used to store any data, including pictures or videos, music, any text documents, and also stores files for the operating system and the software programs that run the computer. This is called the fan, and this is the part that keeps the computer cool by circulating air to or from the computer. The modem is a device that connects a computer to the broadband network, like the internet. And the motherboard is compared to the human central nervous system. It connects all parts to help function as a single machine. Without it, things could fall apart. The network card is next, and it can communicate with each other over the same network using just a simple switch. The random access memory, or the RAM for short, is where the files can be stored for short term and has a smaller capacity than the hard drive. This part is the sound card, and it is used to produce sound on the computer through the speakers or the use of headphones. And this last one is the video card. It's an internal board that creates a picture on a display. So through that quick overview, again, we'll be going through and breaking down each of the components, since this obviously went through a little quicker, through a hands-on activities and small group and large group instruction. Thanks for watching.